Hi, I'm Christina Giorgio and welcome back to my hair series where we're creating easy fondant hairstyles together in real time. If you stumbled on this video first, make sure you go back and watch this very first one in the series. That's where I explain the main problems people face with fondant hair and how to fix them. You'll also find my free 4-part video series linked in the description. Grab it, download this template and watch the video so you can make one of these cool mannequin heads to practice your hairstyles on. Once you've got those ready, come back and follow along with me step by step. You'll get amazing results. Actually, do you know what? I might do this afro so you can see how to do that. So you come up. You come up the other way. Totally up to you which way you want to go. Get rid of that. I'm gonna have to put water on this because it's so dry. Press it down. I'm going to want to use a grass nozzle. So to do that, let's first of all cut away the ears as we did before. Again on this side. I'm not worried about it being perfect on the front at all. You want to push it and twist it. What I am worried about is it coming up, because that's going to drive me mad, isn't it? Let's pop that down, a bit more water, a bit of pressure. So you want to put it in and twist. I love this effect. So just a normal piping grass nozzle. Popping it in and you're going to twist. So the same if they had short afro hair, this is what you'd use. Go all the way around. Now all the front's moved, but as you know, I just go with it. I quite like it. I'm just going to bring it up to make some different hairlines. That's fine for me. Now, if this wasn't afro hair and it was straight hair, we would do the line down the middle and bring it to the side, wouldn't we? Just for you as a reminder. And then some bunches. Actually, I might just do it as a bun. I think it would look cool as a bun. Same thing, just go around. Create the texture. It's moving all over the place, but I'm not really bothered because I'm just going to stick it at the end. In fact, you don't even need to put it here, do we? Just do it on the table, it's easier. Create the texture everywhere. And then pop it on, and then we'll go in underneath with the knife tool to create that curve. So just push it in with the knife tool all the way around. This is the best way to stick it because you're kind of blending it in then. There we are. Can add some more bits on afterwards. Yeah, I kind of like that. I bet you've created something amazing that you're super proud of. But I hate to break it to you, there is no amount of great hair that can save a very scary face or a body that's out of proportion. You've got to get the basics right. Don't get me wrong, this has been a fabulous start. Learning to use your hands, your tools and working with paste. But if you really want to nail the foundations of modelling, grab my free 4-part video series. And if you love these kind of tips and want behind the scenes extras and resources that you're not going to find anywhere else, Come and join us in the Cake Creators Club. Everything's linked below. And if you're ready for the next hairstyle, it's right here in this video. I'll see you there.